Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super quick, incredibly tasty, and absolutely packed with protein for you. We're making a crispy tuna wrap pizza that delivers a whopping 53 grams of protein per serving. Yep, you heard that right, 53 grams. And the best part? It comes together in just about 15 minutes, using only a few simple ingredients, most of which you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's get right into it. We'll start with one small red onion. Slice it thin, the thinner the better, so it softens slightly in the oven while still giving you that subtle crunch and natural sweetness. That contrast adds a lot to the final texture and flavor. Next up, the sauce. In a small bowl, combine 150 grams of tomato passata with 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Then season it with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and a generous pinch of oregano. It's simple, but it really hits those classic pizza notes. Now, lay out your wraps. I'm using flour tortillas, but you can go with high protein or whole wheat wraps if you prefer, whatever fits your macros and your taste. Spread a thin, even layer of your sauce on each wrap, not too much, or the base might get soggy. Then add your shredded cheese. I'm using 120 grams total, spread evenly across 3 wraps. You can go with light mozzarella for a classic flavor, or mix in a bit of cheddar or reduced fat Gouda if you want something richer. Now add your well-drained tuna, breaking it up gently with your fingers so it spreads nicely across the wrap. Draining it well is important, because excess moisture can prevent the wrap from crisping and make the whole pizza soggy. Top it all with the onion slices you prepared earlier. To finish it off, sprinkle each pizza with a little more oregano and drizzle about a teaspoon of olive oil on each. That oil is key. It helps the edges crisp up beautifully and adds that gorgeous golden finish when baked. Quick tip, place your wraps on parchment paper before adding the toppings. It'll save you the hassle of moving them later and helps everything cook evenly without sticking. Now bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. That's about 390 Fahrenheit, for around 10 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on them toward the end. When the cheese is melted and bubbling and the wrap edges are golden and crispy, they're ready. And that's it! You've just made a quick, high-protein meal that's crispy, cheesy, full of flavor, and super satisfying. This is one of my personal favorites for when I want something that feels comforting but still fits perfectly into my fitness goals. If you give this recipe a try, let me know how it turns out in the comments. I'd love to hear your take on it or how you customized it. And if you're into easy, high-protein recipes that don't take forever to cook, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.